Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Kraken's margin trading feature in 2025. It's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic at all. Just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now, the first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account. You can log into your Kraken account using your email address and your password on Kraken's website. Now, once you're logged in, just navigate to the trading page by clicking on the trade tab. Next, you're going to select the trading options. So go ahead and select the margin trading options by clicking on the margin button. Next, you're going to need to choose the cryptocurrency pair that you want to trade, and then just set the leverage for your margin trade. And once that's set, you want to enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to trade. And once all of that is complete, just confirm the margin trade by clicking on the trade button. That's pretty much it on how to use Kraken's margin trading feature in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next